Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cultural immersion with CEA Study Abroad, complete guide step by step clearly. The first step to investing in cultural immersion with CEA Study Abroad is to research available programs. Start by visiting the CEA Study Abroad website to explore different destinations and courses they offer. Take note of the unique cultural experiences each program provides, such as local part. Next, consider your academic and personal goals. What skills or knowledge do you hope to gain from your time abroad? This will help you choose a program that aligns with your aspirations. Once you've selected a program, assess your budget. Review all associated costs, including tuition, housing, and travel expenses. Look into scholarships or financial aid options specifically for study abroad. After finalizing your budget, begin to plan your application. Make sure you gather all necessary documents, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. Begin writing your personal statement, highlighting your motivation and goals for studying abroad. Submit your application ahead of the deadline to ensure you have enough time for any complications. Once you receive your acceptance letter, prepare for the logistical aspects of your trip. Book your flights and secure accommodation through CEA or independently. Next, start learning about the culture of your chosen destination. Research local customs, languages, and etiquette to help you adapt more easily once you arrive. Reach out to past CEA participants through forums or social media to gain insights and tips. Prepare for your departure by organizing necessary health and travel documents. Ensure you have any required vaccinations or medications sorted out before you go. Familiarize yourself with packing essentials that pertain to both your studies and cultural activities. Upon arrival, immerse yourself in the local culture right away. Join orientation events hosted by CEA to connect with other students. Explore your new environment by visiting local markets, attending cultural festivals, and trying new foods. Engage with local communities through volunteering or internships offered by CEA. Make an effort to practice the language if it differs from your own. Investing time in cultural immersion will enrich your overall experience. Reflect on your experiences regularly, both during and after the program. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.